Okay, Mr. Mohammed, are you right?
Okay. Yeah.
So far, I hope you are aware what we did.
Yeah.
Hmm. But our controller is not able to, associate this AP, right? It can see
Yeah.
that AP is there, right?
Yeah.
Even if you see this AP
The IP.
IP
Yeah.
and you try to ping it, it should be reachable from your controller also,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's not able to associate. And why? You can see the answer here.
License. Yeah.
And I talked about license. Why license is required? Tell me.
Uh, forget about this one. Yeah. To
Why
make
this
the associate.
why this
Yeah.
certificates thing is required
Yeah. 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 Yes. Yes.
to authenticate with each other.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I am telling you a very important thing with respect to the troubleshooting. So you can see now your device is up, all the DTLS session is there, right?
Yeah.
See, it is sending again and again the request. Why? Because currently it's not able to associate. So
Mm-hmm.
these things is clear to you, this AP
Yeah.
discovery process.
Yes.
Very important. Okay. Now let me come back here. So I am talking about the troubleshooting points why AP is not joining your controller. Very first thing, as I was telling you, it should not be autonomous
Yeah.
AP, which we have checked, it is not, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And what is how we can check that it is autonomous or lightweight? Is
Yeah.
there is
It's showing there. Yeah. K.
K9W8
Canon.
UID,
Yeah. W. Yes.
right? So
Yeah.
just you need to take the console. You need to just put the username and password, which is Cisco. Okay. And when you see the show version, it will show you that what are the steps, right?
Yes. Mm.
Then third point, your AP reachability to the controller should be okay. And this point is also done because ping
Yeah.
pong is fine.
Yeah.
Getting my point?
Yeah.
So here again you can come up with the 4 points. The AP discovery request, discovery response, join request, join response, where your DSCP, DNS, all of those things will come into the picture, right?
Yeah.
But we have seen all of those things. Let's proceed further, right?
Yeah.
Fourth, you need to check again with respect to the connectivity. If I will say with respect to the connectivity, you need to check the routing. You need to check the STP version. STP is not causing the issue, and all of those things you can check with respect to the reachability only. Okay,
Okay.
but let me now go further. It is mismatch regulatory domain. Your WLC can support multiple regulatory domains. Each regulatory domain must selected before your LWAP is joining to your controller. If you
Okay.
remember, when I was establishing AP or the controller, it was asking for the country code.
Yeah.
Remember,
Yeah.
I put IN, right? So you need to
Yes.
ensure that they should be having same regulatory domain. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I will go over here, I should have the console of this. This is the console. Okay. NetMinion, net123. I can issue a command, debug command. You are already aware the Cisco is, able to
Yeah.
debug CAPWAP events. Enable. Okay. And it
Mm-hmm.
will show you like what are the CAPWAP things are coming. If you can similarly errors also there, you can enable those also, and it will show you, right? So
Yeah.
can you see this?
Yes.
It is talking about everything like what is mismatch, what is not, failed to CAPWAP packet. Okay, leave that. Debug CAPWAP events. I am disabling. Okay. Similarly,
Okay.
errors also I am disabling. Errors disable. Okay. Because I am already aware what is the issue. But if you need to check the regulatory domain, go to the wireless. Can you see this country?
Yeah.
Currently, you can see the country configured is,
India. Yeah.
you can configure multiple countries. But let me
Okay.
tell you one thing very important. When you need to do this, your radio should be off.
Okay. Yeah.
These are your radios. See, if you see,
Yes. You need to disable it. Yeah.
you need to, currently it is disabled, but you
Mm.
need to disable it first,
Yeah.
right? Only then you can just select, let us say I am selecting Australia, just for the example. Okay. And
Mm.
where is apply? You can apply this. Can you see
Yes.
this?
Yeah.
So your radio should be disabled. That is why it's not giving me any error. But if your radios are enabled, you cannot make these changes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Regulatory domain part is clear to you. I hope there should not be any doubt.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Let us come to the second, means further point, not second, further. Maybe before certificate, let's come to the time. Your time should be proper.
Yeah.
Go in the commands. Can you see this? See time.
Yeah. Set time.
Click on the,
Yes.
sorry, set time. Go to the set time. Okay. Select your location. So my location, you can select your location, but my
Yeah.
location is this particular this. I am
Yeah.
selecting this time zone. Give me a minute. I need to pick up a phone. Okay. Give me a minute.
Yeah. Sure. No problem. No.
Okay. So the schedule system reset will be cancelled, or you want to continue?
No. It's okay. It's up to you.
So uh, if you see here, no, I was just reading the error message. So
Mm.
the pop-up message. So if you see, I just set up the time, right?
Yeah.
You can set
Okay.
up the banner also here, but if you see the time is correct. It picked
Yeah.
the time correctly. I can go into the monitor, right? And we can go to the commands and see the time again. You can see the current time,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So it is fine. Okay, good.
Mm.
So next point, the certificate, right?
Okay.
So what the certificate is, certificate can be your OEM basis, okay, or like original equipment manufacturer can put this certificate. Earlier, this certificate was self-signed. Nowadays, they are putting this through a CA, certificate authority, okay. But
Okay.
earlier it was self-signed certificate. So what
Mhm.
happened is your certificate issue can be there. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So AP certificate may be refused that okay, no validity is there, and there can be a lot of options valid. So if I go here, okay, if I see show crypto CA certificate, you can able to see there are a lot of certificates
Yeah.
there, okay. And if you wanted to see their expiry and all of those things, probably you can look after those things, okay.
Okay. Mhm.
Right. So these are the certificate which are already put over there by the OEMs, right? So
Okay.
what you need to see, you need to check that okay, these certificates should not be expiry. Okay.
Yeah.
Then your firewall is coming in between. In my environment, there is no firewall, I am aware. But let us say you are having the production environment and there is firewall in between. So you need to get open couple of the ports. Can you take some names? What are the port numbers?
I think UDP port.
Yes, UDP
Yeah.
port.
UDP port.
Your 5246 or
Yeah.
5247, right?
Yeah.
Both
Yes.
direction,
Yeah.
right? Then
Yes.
your UDP port 1222 and in the last it would be one
Three.
triple
Yeah.
three. Okay. These again for your CAPWAP, these ports should be enabled in both of the directions.
Yeah.
Otherwise, your again your AP will not be able to associate with the controller, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Then you can have some compatibility issues, right? Compatibility issues like what? That you have couple of the APs models which are really very old or maybe really very new, which your controller is not able to what to say? It's not able to handle that, right?
Yeah.
That can be a problem.
Mm.
Okay, getting my point?
Yeah. Yes.
So software image can be also a problem. That software image is really very old that it is not able to associate with your controller. Then,
Okay.
as I was telling you, if you go to the security, okay, under the security, where was that? Triple A, if policies, yes, here. If I will go over here in the AP policies, can you see this? Accepted
Yes.
self-signed certificate.
Yeah.
You need to select yes. Local significant certificate, you need to say yes. And you need to apply this. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Now let me tell you, there can be an authorization list also. If your controller has some authorization list, then you need to tell your controller administrator that please allow my AP MAC address also here. So
Okay.
you can have this AP list like if you just do like this, okay, it will be having in your authorization list and you can add over, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yes.
So if I will go to the AP policies, I selected this. Let me go to the monitors and let me go to the statistics AP join. Still it's not joined. Can you see?
Yeah.
Fine, not an issue. One last step which is pending. Okay. Uh, that you have done the allow signs certificate and everything you have done. Let me go to the monitor. 200 access point it can support, right?
Okay.
You need to go to the management. Can you see their software activation?
Okay.
Go to the license. Can you see this is the evaluation?
Evaluation. Yes.
Right? Go to this AP coin, AP count. Okay. Activate this. Say I accept. Okay. And I hope it should be in activate status now. Let me see this. Okay. Activate is done. Now let me go to the monitors. Statistics, AP join. Okay, it's booting.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah. Not found an AB. Required image.
It
Not
is
found.
now downloading the image.
Yeah.
So if you go over here again to the AP join, can
Yeah.
you see?
Join. Yes.
If you click here, you could be able to see that it is now downloading the image. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let me go to my controller. So DTLS connection. See, it is telling you how many DTLS connection is currently there or no.
Yeah.
So currently you can see one DTLS connection is coming up, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Show AP image status. Can you see this?
Yeah. Downloading.
It is downloading. So if I need to check show AP, maybe join stats summary all, you can see this.
Yeah.
Clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
So this is downloading the new image. Okay, it will take some time to download the image and then it will boot up with the new image. So I hope for now it is fine and we will meet tomorrow at the same
Yeah.
time and we will talk more about it. Okay?
Yeah. Sure. No problem.
Please go through the class.
Sorry again. What?
Please go through the recording.